Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Andrew and I'm founder of MetaGeeks. Now, are you trying to get into PA school but aren't quite sure what your chances are? Well, you're not alone. Look, less than 5% of students actually get accepted per given school. Now, right now, I want to share a little story about a student named Angie. Angie is 23 years old. She majored in biology, has an overall 3.3 GPA and a 3.3 science GPA. She was a medical assistant for 2 years at a family practice, and at that same practice, she shadowed a couple PAs, whom she was actually able to get a couple letters of recommendation from, and overall, she applied to 3 schools and was granted interviews at all 3. But she didn't get in. Now, is this something that you can relate to? Does this sound like a fear you might have? Well, so many students get wrapped up in the numbers, but the numbers are only part of the equation. See, this doesn't guarantee admission. The numbers mean that you can play the game, but they don't signify that you're going to be a great clinician. At the end of the day, the admissions committee wants to know that you will be a great clinician. Now, Angie's stats were good enough to get an interview, but the problem was that when she got the interview, she wasn't able to show the committee that she belonged. Now, we don't want you to be a statistic like Angie. In fact, we've been in your shoes, and we know how stressful this entire process can be. So if you want a leg up, if you want to think differently from the rest, if you want to increase the odds as much as possible for acceptance, then we can help. In fact, we're hosting a live online workshop where we're going to be showing you and teaching you exactly what you need to know to get into the PA school of your choice. We're also going to be staying on live to answer any questions that you might have about the process, and the best part is it's 100% free. All you have to do is click the link below, click the link above, wherever they put it, or click Learn More to register for our upcoming workshop. We hope to see you there. Take care, and thank you for listening.